Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to turn on GMC terrain with remote. Press lock twice, then press and hold the remote start button for 3 seconds to activate the engine. If it does not start, try replacing the fob battery and moving closer to the vehicle. Check that the vehicle is in park, doors are closed, and the hood sensor is functioning. If problems persist, consult your owner manual or dealer for diagnostics. If your terrain won't remote start, try a few simple steps before calling for help. First, replace the key fob battery and test again from various distances. Next, scan the dashboard for warning lights that disable remote start, such as service or security alerts. Also ensure the hood is fully closed and the vehicle senses park. These quick checks solve most problems and get you back on the road faster. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more guides. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it makes a fun companion for planning vehicle purchases or maintenance budgets. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Remote starting your GMC terrain is convenient, but safety matters first. Never remote start in a closed garage or confined area to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. Stay within the working range of your key fob to ensure consistent results, and always check that the vehicle is parked with the parking brake engaged if needed. Finally, lock the doors after remote start so the vehicle remains secure while warming or cooling inside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.